welcome to my channel 1. Today we're going to play with Kinetic sand. I got 2 bags because this one only comes with a little bit. But this one has a lot. Oh, that's heavy. Look how much there is in here. Oh, ow. Wow. This is big Kinetic sand. Look how big it is. Alright. Now time to open this one. They're ready to take off the tape. Now, okay. There. Oh, I know these ones. Like, pull them out. Just like this. Not my fault. Oh, look at the little sandcastle. So cute. Let's open it up. I said, let's open it up. I said, let's open it up. See? Look how big this one compared to this one. Oh, Dada, can you help me open these?
No, Princesita.
It's very hard to open. Okay, you guys, we're gonna try, and try.
Go get some scissors.
No, Dada, there's sticks in the last one, and I can just poke a hole in there, right?
Yeah, I can find the scissors.
Yeah, there's no scissors. I got a stick. Don't poke your eye with it. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, yeah. First, let's open these ones. I want to see. I saw this. There's a little crab, you guys. The castle. The turtle. So cute. Now time to poke it in the Kinetic sand. Let's do this one first. Oh, I wonder what Kinetic sand feels like. Comment down below if you know what Kinetic sand feels like. Oh, that's so sorry. Ooh, there's a hole. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot. Oh my god. It feels like poop. It actually does really feel like poop. Whoa, you guys, this feels so good. If you guys don't know, it actually cleans up easily. Just press on it. There. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Wow. We're gonna open this later, but first I wanna feel this one. Oh, it just feels so good. Let's spread it out, you guys. Spread it. Spread it. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, a little shovel. Let's dig. Ooh. This is very fun, you guys. I love purple, so yeah, I got a purple one. And an extra purple one, just in case. I want to dig. Ooh. Let's put it in here. Let's dig, 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 dig. Oh my god, that's a lot of digging. Wow, you guys, this is so cool. My cousin Danny has some Kinetic sand. It's brown and it feels so good. But like that one was like hard Kinetic sand. This one is like soft Kinetic sand. Ooh, look how good it feels. Good thing I brought a pool. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Let's make a flat surface for our castle. And we'll make a flat surface for our castle. Perfect. Now we're gonna put it. Whoa, you guys, look at that! You see my little castle? Wow, so cool. Let's make a crab and then we'll make the turtle. I wanna make the crab. Ooh. Nice. Whoa, you guys, it feels so good. Okay. A little more. Wow. My brother's gonna come. Hi, Mom. Okay, my brother was here. He's just gonna go to the office and play some games. And then go to the garage and do something, I guess. Now you see my little crab right here. It's not exactly a red crab anymore. It's a purple crab. How do you like my purple crab, you guys? He's facing this way. Let's do like this. So you can guys see. Now we're gonna do the turtle. Please comment down below if you love turtles. I love turtles. Okay, get a big scoop of this. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Now I'm gonna put my turtle. Oh, it just came out. Oh, my little turtle. Look how cute it is. Ready, you guys? Let's smush it. Oh, feels so good. Oh, whoa. Look at that, you guys. Oh, feels so soft, mushy. You guys, if you have kinetic sand already, and it's whatever color you love, of course. But what kind of sand do you have? Like, do you have sand or do you have a pool? Or do you have just a normal backyard like us? Oh, it just feels so good. Huh, let me read the instructions. Let's see. So we pour all the kinetic sand in there. Show it. Okay, yeah, don't put it in carpet or even in roller water, or else your parents will get so mad at you. If you put it in water for an experiment, that's good. That's fine. But if you put it in water or in the carpet for no reason, then that's bad. And also, you guys, I want to make a, it's just that it feels so good, but it feels like we need a little more. Yeah, I think that's a bit cool. Let's make it even bigger. Oh. 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 Ow. Oh, that is hard. Wow. Let's see if it mixes up with the... Ooh, this one is like violet and this one is actually purple. It makes it good, but I feel like this one has too much. So we're just gonna get a little bit to fill it up. Oh yeah, that feels good. Let's mix it up together. Wow. Ooh. Squishy and hard. Oh, you guys, please buy Kinetic sand. If your parents don't let you, then be a nice parent and just like tell your kids if they want to buy Kinetic sand, and then just like let them buy it, and then just like you can feel it. Oh my god, it feels so good. Let's see if it does like this. It's like purple and violet. I think we need to like smush everywhere. My brother is like want to play with this, but like he's doing something right now. So like yeah, he's like on his phone doing something right now. I can't tell you what he's doing. That's a surprise. Smells like kinetic sand. It feels like kinetic sand. Wow, you guys. I'm gonna make a burrito. Burrito. I'm gonna cut my burrito, you guys. My burrito broke. Whoa! It feels like sand that is moving, just like if you like are digging sand. That's what it feels like to me. Of course, to me. And look, they have dark sand, while we have the precious, beautifulest sand ever. I'm gonna make another burrito. This time, we're burning out burrito. Oh my god, it just feels so good. Please buy Kinetic sand. Oh my god. Do I need to stand up for this? I'm getting quite a workout here. It's just that you need to keep on playing with it if it's hard. Wonder. My brother is chasing after Molly. Of course, you guys know Molly, my dog. Now, time to dig. Oh my god, that feels so good when I'm really digging. I didn't see him walk to the backyard. I wonder why he went there. I wonder how he went there exactly. Guys, I really want to play with my Barbies here, and then they just like feel the kinetic sand. Ooh, that would be amazing if they do. Okay, just wait a few hours. Like, I'm gonna keep it there, and then, ooh, it feels good, you guys. You know what? I think I need a little more purple. Would you like to come? My thumb? Rind. You guys, like the first one that I first ever opened, it's like light color purple. But like the second one, it's like dark, like the regular purple. My brother came out from the garage. I should have known better. Okay, we're gonna like make a big ball. Let's see if this works. Oh, look at my ball, you guys. What if I do this? Whoa, that's so cool. I want to make a big ball. And it's just like rip it and just put it for the pathway, just like that. Now you guys know, no playing on the bottom. No. Hi, Mehmet. What were you doing? Okay, there we go. There's my possum. Now time. I'm just gonna do it by hand. I'm gonna do it by hand and then
Sit.
well that part. So okay. Do. Smear for the leg. This is actually a sea turtle, you guys. Sea turtles are the ones who don't have legs.
Hey.
Okay, Mommy's here, so I think we're not drop any connects. Okay, I'm going to put my turtle. It just broke. Look at my turtle. Oh, my turtle. No. I'm gonna make a new turtle. Exactly how it was. Turtle. Now, instead of that side. Just like that. See? My turtle is so cute. Now it's like a crab. I want a dark crab. Oh, you know what, you guys? Instead of like making it, you know what? Look at all of it. Whoa, you guys. Oh, it looks up. Okay, before you put in a different color, always make sure it's in a pool. Like not in a real pool, like one of these. Oh, you guys. Oh, this is what I saw. Look, you see that girl right there? See? Look, you see that man right there? Let's get how about let's make this a whole big ball? Yeah, let's make it a big ball. Look how big this ball is, you guys. You guys should buy Kinetic Sand right now. Oh my god. If you already have Kinetic Sand, just try doing this. Oh, that felt good.
Are you done, Princess?
What? Look, guys. Look at my armpit. Now, bye, guys. I hope you like this video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.